This is my chance to prove myself.
Today, we're diving into the lavish lifestyle of one of Hollywood's brightest stars, Tom Holland. Known worldwide for his role as Spider-Man, Tom has not only captured hearts with his acting skills, but also amassed a fortune that allows him to enjoy a life of luxury. In this video, we'll explore Tom Holland's incredible lifestyle, delving into his impressive net worth, his stunning properties in London and Los Angeles, his enviable collection of high-end cars, his luxurious yacht, and his exquisite watch collection. We'll also touch on his early life and rise to stardom, as well as his philanthropic efforts that make him a true superhero both on and off the screen. So please sit back, relax, and let's get into the luxurious life of Tom Holland. Early life and rise to stardom. Before we delve into his luxurious lifestyle, let's take a quick look at how Tom Holland rose to fame. Born on June 1, 1996, in Kingston upon Thames, London, Tom showed an interest in the performing arts from a young age. His big break came when he was cast as Billy Elliot in the West End production of Billy Elliot the Musical. However, it was his role as Peter Parker, a.k.a. Spider-Man, in the Marvel Cinematic Universe that catapulted him to international stardom. With multiple blockbuster films under his belt, Tom has become one of the highest-paid actors of his generation. Net worth. As of 2024, Tom Holland's net worth is estimated to be around $25 million. This substantial fortune comes from his film roles, brand endorsements, and smart investments. Properties. Tom Holland's real estate portfolio is as impressive as his filmography. London home. Tom's London home is a stunning Georgian-style townhouse located in a posh neighborhood. This multi-million-dollar property boasts a blend of classic and modern. Interiors featuring high ceilings, expansive windows, and a beautifully landscaped garden. Los Angeles mansion. Situated in the Hollywood Hills, this property offers breathtaking views of the city and the ocean. The mansion includes an infinity pool, a private cinema, a games room, and several guest suites. Cars. Tom Holland has a penchant for fast cars, and his collection is nothing short of extraordinary. Audi R8. This high-performance sports car, with its sleek design and powerful engine, is perfect for a superhero both on and off the screen. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. For a touch of elegance and comfort, Tom owns a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This luxury SUV offers unparalleled comfort and style, making it ideal for both city driving and long road trips. Porsche Taycan. This electric sports car combines sustainability with high performance, boasting an impressive range and cutting-edge features. Yachts. When it comes to relaxation and leisure, Tom Holland knows how to do it in style. He owns a luxurious yacht that he often uses for vacations and parties with friends and family. Holland's yacht. Tom's yacht is a magnificent vessel equipped with all the luxuries one could imagine. It features multiple decks, a spacious sunbathing area, a jacuzzi, and a fully equipped bar. The interiors are elegantly designed, offering a blend of comfort and sophistication. Watches. Tom Holland's watch collection is a testament to his refined taste and appreciation for fine craftsmanship. Rolex Submariner. A classic choice. The Rolex Submariner is known for its durability and timeless design. This watch is a favorite among celebrities and watch enthusiasts alike. Tom often wears his Submariner to both casual and formal events, showcasing its versatility. Patek Philippe Nautilus. For a touch of elegance, Tom owns a Patek Philippe Nautilus. This watch is renowned for its distinctive design and exceptional craftsmanship. The Nautilus is a statement piece that reflects Tom's sophisticated style. Tom Holland is not just about luxury and glamour. He is also committed to giving back to the community. He actively supports various charitable organizations and causes. One of his notable contributions is his involvement with the Brothers Trust, a charity founded by his family. The organization aims to raise funds for various causes, including medical research, education, and disaster relief. From his rise to fame as Spider-Man to his luxurious lifestyle, Tom Holland's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. With a net worth of $25 million, a stunning real estate portfolio, an impressive car collection, a luxurious yacht, and a selection of exquisite watches, Tom truly lives a life of opulence. That's all for today's video on the luxurious life of Tom Holland. If you enjoyed this deep dive into his extravagant lifestyle, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay fabulous.